Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So actually this video is going to start just shortly after the last video. So we just finished seasoning our new Blackstone 28-inch griddle. Now we're going to cook dinner on it. It's just been a little bit of time since we seasoned it, so it's fresh, it's ready to go. I turned off everything, so I'll have to turn that on in a second, but we'll get started. I'm going to start by doing a little bit of prep work. So we, in this case, bought some pre-packaged, pre-seasoned carne asada, some cilantro, and an onion. So I'm gonna prep that now and get that cut up, and then we'll throw it on the griddle and see how this goes. There's definitely more advanced things to cook. This is gonna be really simple and straightforward, I think. But it's our very first meal, so we kind of wanted to capture it on tape here. So yeah, follow along with us, and let's go make some tacos. So this is the taco meat we bought, and this just came from the local grocery store. It's about $15. Not too bad. It's gonna be a meal for both of us tonight, and probably some leftovers for tomorrow. Snack on, maybe have lunch. We just picked up the ones. Actually, we had another pack. We ate it all. I thought we had more than this. This is all we got left. But some little organic, gluten-free tortillas here. Honestly, not why we bought them. We bought them because we wanted the tiny little corn tortillas. So this is what they had at the store. Gonna cut up this onion. I'm not gonna cut the whole thing, just enough for tonight, because we want to use the rest for our burgers tomorrow. So having said that, we actually had another onion we recently used. So I'm just gonna use that. I already kind of started cutting it. How far I cut it previously. No, that looks about it. Just want to cut this up just real fast. I know this part's not very exciting. Of course, I'm not sure how much of what we do is that exciting, but we appreciate you guys tuning in anyway. I'm really not going to make too much of this. So I do like doing this. We kind of cut it here, and then cut it the other direction, and then you sort of just cut it down, and it just falls off. It's kind of fun. Sometimes it comes out though while you're doing it. Then kind of cut like this, and you already get chopped onions. Oops. So, not too bad, and I think, to be honest, that's all I'm gonna make. That's quite a few onions. It's just Marzz and I. And we got the cilantro. And you guys are welcome. If you weren't hungry before, you probably are now. Alright, here we go. So let's get her fired up. Alright, so got my long spatula all cleaned up, ready to go. Using that. Might need to use this thing to kind of help chop stuff around. Got my tortillas and my beef. Carne Asada, I should say. So, I think we're getting good here. Got a nice medium heat going, and I'm just going to put down a little bit of oil, and we're going to get started. And we'll get to work. Back. Try to bowl out so as the meat is finished, we can put it on. I'm actually going to try to use it without the glove for now. I kind of want to see the difference, see how it goes. I'm hoping this is only for certain times, maybe again, just the cleaning, or depends on what kind of food I'm cooking. So I'm hoping on a general, regular basis I don't need it. So I'm going to put it off to the side, and we're going to see how it goes. Now this meat came pre-seasoned, otherwise I'd obviously be seasoning it up right now and getting it ready to go, but kind of was already done for me, so. And this is really used to kind of move things around. It's not sharp or anything. I may end up trying to use it though to kind of cut through. Let's see how this goes for a minute. So just grab my tortilla holder, we just put a napkin in it, cloth napkin, we'll put the tortillas in here to keep them warm. I'm going to set this underneath. And I lowered the heat just a little bit, we're on a nice medium. I lowered it down just another notch. And we'll see, it's cooking really well. It's thin meat, so it's not going to take long. I'm going to start flipping. Some of it getting a little stuck. Like I said, the more we use this, the more we break it in, the more oil we put on this. So for time and cooking it and cooking things like bacon and other stuff, it's going to really help with this and create kind of a protective layer. Here's our meat. I'm actually gonna take it inside now and just use the cutting knife there, and I'm gonna chop this up a little finer. I'm gonna come back out and do the tortilla. Alright, so I chopped it up finer. It's probably a better way to do this, but it's my first time. So it's still on low. I'm gonna hit it with the oil. So let it sit there, sizzle. And now I'm going to work on the tortilla. Okay, and these will go pretty quick, so here we go. All in all, this, even with the prep, this took about 20 minutes total. So 10 minutes prep, 10 minutes cook, and we'll be ready to eat. That's the end of it. We'll put the meat back in there, put these in there, grab the cilantro and onions, and some tortilla sauce, and ready for dinner. Alright, now I just wanted to show you the plated result. Some cilantro and chopped onions, and carne asada. And this is dinner tonight. That was it. So I just wanted to share with you guys our first meal on our new flat top griddle. Seems like a success so far. I'm gonna dig in and eat up here and enjoy these tacos. I think pretty successful for our first go, and we will be cooking a lot more on this to come. So as always guys, thanks for joining, we appreciate it. We'll see you next time.